Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Sunday, the 14th of July 2022, and the time is 6:30 p.m. Welcome to our fourth session for the Bitcoin backtest for the pair goal. And this session we will do the week 4 of July. And that will be let's see, the 18th to 22 of July 2020. All right, let's get started. Okay, as usual, what we do is we will clear this markup from the previous session. Clear all this markup from M15 all the way to H4 because that's our time frame. And okay, this is really messy, as you can see. All right, so excuse me. So here we change the, we're going to change the chart to line chart to mark our SNR level, and we zoom up a little bit so we can see it much better. So we have a support level here, and we have resistance here, and we have SR flip zone here. Probably that's enough. Okay, then we move to H1 for the supply and demand zone. We have our SR flip zone. Oh, wait a minute, sorry, I make a mistake. We need to advance our chart to Monday, 13 hours, 11, 12, 13. So here we are at 13 hours, and look like it price broke this resistance level, and it make a resistance over here. Okay, update that. So we go to H1, it's a flip zone. Okay, let me just quit this Telegram. Okay, this is the SR flip zone made after price break that zoom a little bit, and then there's a demand zone here, which is this one. Okay, and then there's a demand zone down here, which is actually should be this one. Okay, so we need to adjust a little bit this. Let's see, it's kind of high. Okay, all right. So let's go to M30. At M30, we can see price reject this level and it making a high. On M15, you can see a huge rejection over here. However, now price it at this SR flip zone. So looking at the current price action, I want to see bearish candles, bearish signal confirmation form before I take a trade and price to go down here. So let's play the let's play the chart. So as you can see here, price break the low of this candle. However, it look like it's gonna reject up. So this is a very tricky price action. If we look at M30, okay, M30 on the other hand, actually giving us an opportunity to go for a buy. Okay, if we take this buy, we can aim for this wick, because as you can see here on M30 plus making a price making a higher high and higher low, except for this one. This one is like a equal low over here, liquidity grab. So looking at the current price action, I would like to take a buy at the current price. Excuse me. Buy at the current price. TP will be up here, and my stop is 30 pips. Oh, I put it below this candle. Okay. So this is a decent risk reward ratio. Even if I put it down here, I'll still get 1.8. I'll put it down here. It's more likely to hit. All right. Okay. So let's play the candle. Let me zoom it a little bit so it's easy to see. So okay, as you can see here, at 6:30, price is continue to be bullish, and currently the last candle here is very tricky. But if it close bullish, it have a potential to continue to go upward. But now it going bearish. So we have an option here. Either we want to move the stop to break even, so that because this move has been very good, except this candle is rejecting. Probably at there's a supply level at M5, and there's a strong momentum here. So I decided to move the stop to break even for this trade, and we'll see what happens. Because there's a strong rejection here. If it counter that rejection, means there's something really fishy is going on. So let's look at M15. How does the, oh, there's a strong rejection candle on M15. And unless if price goes above this candle, oh, there's a zone here. That's why it's rejecting. So we should have closed the trade over here just now at M15 level. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna, okay, so this is not the ideal position. Should be here because this candle has no top wick. Actually price goes above it, but I'm gonna close it here. Close all. So I'm gonna take this for the journal. Should have looked at the M15. So bullish engulfing. Bullish engulf. Then we enter at 50%. Okay. This is 2, 3, our stop was here, but we move it to break even when the rejection happened. SL, and then 4 is break even. Okay, we move it to break even and decide to close here. Close M15 SZ supply zone. Okay, so that's our trade plan. Put this into our journal. This is trade number 17 for the month. The date is the 18th of 18th of July, and the time is this trade was triggered. We take this trade. Okay, let's close all. Then this trade is 6:15 p.m. 18:15. Okay, so the PNL was 284. 284. That will be 284 divided by 500. So 0.56. Our SL was about 35 pips just now. R is 0.56. To add 50% of conditioning bar. Follow friend. Okay. Then we paste that. Okay. So we done with this trade. Let's see where the candle took us. Okay, look like it's range, and it would have take our break even. Okay, let's go back to M15, see how price. Okay, move. So now price is rejecting the supply zone. This one, the supply zone. And oh, let's see how this candle close. If this candle close below so now it closed inside the demand zone. We want to see price break below here to make a break of structure, or make a pin bar or a rejection price action to continue to go bullish. So look at M30 is still open. The calendar is still, the candle is still open. So it's close to 9 p.m. Okay. So now this is a bullish pin bar. It's happened inside the zone. So looking at the overall trend, at least on M30 is bullish. I will take this buy on M15. Price is currently buy stop. So let's make it below this and TP here. So take it here. Try not to be too greedy. So, okay. So if price continue to go bullish, okay, so we're in the buy now. Potentially, price will go up back to this level, hopefully, because this is a rejection zone, and making a support inside the demand zone. It's like this. You want to see this candle close above. Okay, so it closed above, making a high, and this one you can see that just now this candle open and immediately make a low, so we can see it currently try to break above, and at 9:30 past 9:30 p.m. New York open, and this candle also immediately make a low when it open, but it keep pushing lower, and now I hope it go up to leave a bottom wick to continue to go up. Okay, go boot. Oh no, still making a higher high. If you look at M30, okay, it's still all right. Go back to M15. So now is 10:15. Price look like start to range. And okay, if we look at this move, this upward move is very corrective. So this is not a very good, how to say, not a very good price action, because this indicate that the upward momentum is very weak. What we want to see is a strong move like this. So it's already 10:30 p.m. Almost 10:30. We have a choice to either close the trade or just get out and break even. So currently choose to just make it break even and see if it continue to go up, because really the movement is weak, and as we can see here, it does not even break the high here. It cannot break the high of this candle. Okay, so we want to see it break above this, or if it break below its own low, that we are out from the trade. We just need to see it break above. So there you go. It took us at break even. We are out from the trade, and I think this is already almost 11 p.m. It's good to end the session and move to the next day. Okay, wait, let me journal this. So enter on the pin bar, okay, so price maker overall unable to break the, okay, sorry, this is too unreadable. Erase this. And number 3, unable to make a high. Then break even. So we have to be able to identify this move, because this is a corrective move, this is a impulsive move. Okay, so this trade number 18 for the month of July. The date is the 18 July. And if we look at the history, that trade was triggered at 16 9 21 hours. So okay. Okay, so let's go to the next day. Monday, Tuesday. Let's go to Tuesday. Okay, here's Tuesday. Price move like really violent, it seems. Default. Default. Okay, so as you can see here, this is a high liquidity zone. Price keep cross this area, and the SNR level is still the same. Okay, so we basically can reuse this SNR level. Go to H1. Oh, I did not. Okay, see in H1 we mark our supply zone, then our this zone is gone, so we don't bother about that anymore. Okay, so this 3 level, that's enough for the trade of the night. And we go to M30, look at the price action. So we missed this trade. It's a good sell. Let's just wait for price to react to this demand zone or whatever it is. Okay, so as you can see here, it goes up. It goes up. There's a M15 zone here. Seems like respect this zone. Then range. Okay. Wow, look like there's no trade for the day. Yeah, no trade for this day. That's all right. We just continue next Wednesday. So on Wednesday, wow, price still in a range. That range is wow. Okay, I'm gonna take the bottom part of this. Maybe we can trade in the range because it's getting big. Date, clone update. Okay, let's go to H1. So on H1, can extend this zone, and then we can make this zone, and also this zone. Okay, but now this zone is only like 40 pips. It's a bit too small to trade, basically. Yeah, this zone is very small. It's a bit hard to trade that zone, honestly. But let's see how price move in M13 or M15. So price make a rejection of that zone. If we take this buy, our TP target will be like so small. Stop is here, 30 pips, and probably the max we can go is 34 pips. That's a bit risky. I'm not gonna take it. Although it's TP. Wow. So now price rejected this zone. I want to take a sell limit at half of this candle and put the stop above. My entry will be here. TP target will be here. If it does not go to my entry, oh, it's okay. So now it does not go into our direction. Need to cancel the trade. And currently price is making a bullish movement. I wanted to see how's the price in a higher time frame. So it make a corrective. Okay, so if I take this trade, that will be like 40 pip, 28. Okay, I can buy stock. Not very comfortable doing this. If price broke below the low of this candle, we need to cancel our pending order. Okay, now I need to cancel this one. Okay, let this candle close and see where it goes. So all this candle make us rejection here. This is a very strong demand zone. We can still take a buy stop above this candle and stop below that candle and TP up here if it want to go up. Seven to TPM. Okay, we are tagged in the trade. Yeah, we are taking the trade and draw down a little bit. So this candle close bullish, and this candle open with the bottom side first. Let's see if it close bullish. 5 more minutes for this candle. Come on, you can close bullish. Don't be shy. Oh, there's a strong rejection there. Okay, so this trade is kind of whatever kind of trade. If it close below this candle, I think we probably want to close the trade to minimize the risk. Because now we're just ranging there, not doing anything. I'm gonna speed up. It's really nothing to watch. And it goes to our stop loss. So, yeah, this is a range. It's very hard to trade this kind of range. but this overall is range. Okay, so number 19 is a losing trade. 20th of July. Time is 7:40 p.m. Okay, so let's forward this bar, see where it goes. Oh, just play in the range. So now this kind of make a break of structure. Looking at this, out since you only have one losing, we can still tell stop above this and take the trade at 50% of this candle. TP is here. Yeah. Stop is 25. Okay. Now, so price immediately go down. Did not take our order. We have to cancel the trade. Wow. Now it's breaking down. No way we can take this trade. Okay, wait, stop. So here price broke below this one, and then below the SNR level, I will want to take the sell limit at the 50% of this candle and put a stop above it. TP is down here. Okay, that will give us 1.125. Okay, stop this 20 over pips. So it does not seems not to take our order as well. That's oh my god. No. Okay, so are we in the sell now? Are we in the sell? But the price pushing rather strong. Let's see on M30 how it look like. I should have put it above the M30 candle though. So bit squeezing this top is supposed to be above here. This is the correct stop loss. M30 candle. Okay. Anyhow, it continued to go down correctively, not the best movement. So now it's midnight already. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna close this trade as is at break even because end of the session. Close all. And I'm gonna journal this. So entry at 50%, and then close at session and okay. This is a break even, so excuse me. So this trade was rather late, that's why it 20 to 5 p.m 10 p.m, so it's I don't know, I just put it 0. So okay, let's see how the price go. Oh, wow, we go and take our TP target, but it's okay, there's none of our business. Nobody knows you're gonna go down anyway. All right, so let's go to Thursday. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13. Okay, whoa, wow. Okay, so seems like there's some news. Yep, there's some news on the 21st. Well, so there was a news here. That's why price moved really violently. Unemployment claim. Excuse me. Template default. Template default. Template default. So here, I'm gonna move this all the way down here. Everything is gone. Okay. Put resistance there. And then support here. And then resistance here. That'll be enough for us to do the trade today. If thing goes as planned. And then one more up here. If this one broke, price have to go really high up to the next one over there. Okay, so go to H1. Let's mark our supply zone. So this zone has been there for a long time. So does this one. Okay, so this supply zone. And this supply zone as well. And this is a demand zone. Okay, let's go to M30. Looking at M30, price is almost tapping the supply zone. M15. Okay, let's see how price react. If the price reject, is a good opportunity for us to take a sell over here. But it look like it continued to go bullish. Go deep into the zone. Okay, let's just finish it. Wow. Okay, sorry. So now, looking at this one, this M15 candle reject this zone. So what we can do is we can take a trade when this one continue to go bearish. Pending sell stop. Entry is here. And our stop should be, and we try to target here. Okay, and our stop is like 40, maybe. Wow, that's a huge, but this is a new candle, so I'm gonna put it up there, target here. Let's see what happened. So we tag and we take profit immediately. Let's play that and see what happened. So as you can see here, price make a upper wick. We could have waited for this upper wick, which is about 30 pips, and take the trade only after it make a upper wick, and that will be our stop loss. But I'll just put the 50 pip stop loss there. Okay. If we put this stop loss, then it will be a lot smaller. This is only like 26. You can put a 30 pip stop loss there. So we're in a sell now. We're in a sell. Price just continue to go down, break the previous high, then continue. I put the TP here because there's a SR flip over here, and that's the TP. Okay, so that was a good trade. Very simple trade based on something that we keep seeing. Although our stop is a bit high. Sell stop. Ideal stop loss is here to trail the down move, but this was our stop loss. Okay, and TP is here because SR flip level. Okay, so this is trade number 21 for the month of July. So the date is 21st of July, and the time was okay, you know what, I'm not going to do this. I'm going to check out the trade history. So 622. Then the profit is 264 264, and 45 pip SLR is 364 divided by 0.72. That's pretty good. Clear rejection and take profit for SR flip. Okay. So Thursday, you want to see how price move. So this reject back up. If you look at H1, so in H1, this is the 50% entry of this bullish engulfing candle. But I think we're not gonna take the trade because it's counter trend, and boom, we continue. Would have been a profitable how to say trade as well. So now price again make a rejection over here. We can take the sell again, try to sell again. Sell stop loss, which is I don't know how much, and we aim for this level again. Or if we even, okay, let's try this. Did I make a mistake over here? Five more minutes for this candle. Just let it go to have a restroom break. Wow, look like it hit our stop loss and price continue to go up. Let's stop this. Pin bar. Then I don't know, just hang off. So this is a kind of weird price action over here. I gonna decide to stop trading for the night. It's hard to predict the move already. I start to range, and there you go, end of the session. Oh, so July 21st. July 21st. This is a second trade. We'll pick at 50. Risk minus 0.5. Predictable. I mean, the plan is right, but it just does not go as our plan. Okay, so next one, let's move to Friday and we can end the week. Okay, so 13 hours on Friday. Let's remove all the drawing. Support here, resistance is here, same level as this one basically, and then we take this resistance up here, and then we take this support down there. Okay, now we go to H1 and mark the SNR level. Okay. we have a demand zone here, and we have a demand zone over here. M30 price just reject the supply zone. We kind of late into this trade. I'm not sure if I want to take it. This is 60 pip. I don't know. Never mind, just don't take it. Next bar, I see on M15. Yeah, I start to range on M15 though. Not gonna take it. Okay, now I can take it because it's a fresh new candle. Take here, put my TP here maybe, and my stop above here. Get tagged into the cell. Zoom up a little bit. Actually, how do you say? It's a good setup on both M30 and also M15. Whoa, and it took our stop. Wow. Okay, fine. Whoa. So it's a losing trade. So it's here 50%. Sell limit, then we stop out. There's nothing to scream about this trade. It's very straightforward. Well, is minus 250 minus 0.5. Okay. So, okay, let's forward the candle and see what happened. Wow, there's no way to take this candle. Actually, we can take this one. And I don't think there's any good trade for the night. Okay, so that's it. The overall week, as you can see here, our account is still at plus 0.38%, very low, I would say. Not a very profitable week, but we continue again to the next session.